Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to GoWiFi. First, power on your console and head over to the main dashboard. From there, locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear, and select it. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you find the network option. Before proceeding, please make sure your GoWiFi router is powered on and actively broadcasting its wireless signal. This ensures your PlayStation 5 can detect it. Once you are in the network settings, you will see an option to set up internet connection. Go ahead and select this. The system will then ask you to choose between use Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable. Select use Wi-Fi. For most users, the easy setup option is sufficient, so choose that. Your PlayStation 5 will now scan for available wireless networks. Look for your specific GoWiFi network name in the list and select it. After selecting your GoWiFi network, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the security key. Carefully type in your password, paying close attention to capitalization and any special characters. Once entered, confirm the password and proceed. Your PlayStation 5 will attempt to connect. After a moment, it should indicate a successful connection. To be absolutely sure, perform an internet connection test to verify everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A few simple troubleshooting steps can often resolve them. First, try restarting both your GoWiFi router and your PlayStation 5 console. Sometimes, a fresh start is all that's needed. Also, it's a good idea to check with your GoWiFi provider for any known service outages in your area. Finally, ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is updated to the latest version, as this can sometimes resolve connectivity bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.